What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. In today's video, I will be teaching you about drop shipping, basically how to start your own drop shipping business. So if that's something you're interested in, and if you want to start an online business without having to worry about buying merchandise, then this is the business for you. So keep watching. So let me summarize drop shipping for you. So a customer will place an order on your website. Your website will automatically send your order to your drop shipping supplier. Then your supplier will package and ship the order to your customer, directly to your customer. Now, when you list the item on your store, you will add a markup to the supplier's selling price. So for instance, if your supplier is selling a t-shirt for 100 Rand, you will charge 140 on your store. The customer will pay 140. You will place the order. So when the order is sent to the supplier, you will pay the supplier that 100 Rand that they're charging and keep the 40 Rand, which is your profit. Now, this is excluding any other expenses that you might have for running your store. For instance, the monthly subscription fee if you are using either Shopify, Wix, or whatever. But for the sake of this video, we'll assume you're using Shopify. All right, so drop shipping is an awesome way to start a business, an online business, without having to worry about buying merchandise and all those other things. You don't have to be managing the stock. You just need to manage your online store and manage your customer service. So it's an awesome way if you want to start a business and you're on a very low budget. Another thing, there are many suppliers who offer custom packaging, but you would need to make that arrangement prior to starting or prior to adding their product on your store. And another awesome thing is you get to use their pictures. So you get to select which of their pictures you would want to put on your store and have those and sell. The disadvantage though is that you might have similar pictures to someone else who chooses to sell the same product on their store. If someone else is doing drop shipping as well and they use that particular supplier and sell that same product, then chances are you guys will have the same pictures. But an awesome thing you can do is you can place an order before starting selling, or before you start selling to customers. You can place an order with that supplier, um just to check, number one, the quality, number two, so you can have that item and take your own pictures so that your store will stand out and you'll have that unique feel. So your customers don't necessarily know that the product doesn't come from you. You're welcome to disclose that, but you don't have to, because they are placing the order from you. Whether them getting the product is up to you. You need to make sure that you're using a trusted supplier, and you need to make sure that you are tracking the entire order and making sure that your customer gets what they pay for, what they bought from your store. Cool. So if you want custom packaging for your product, you can do that. Some suppliers offer that for drop shipping, others don't. They just send the order to your customer. But with other suppliers, you can make a prior arrangement to say, listen, every time I place an order, or every time you get an order from my store, please make sure that you use this particular packaging, or put our logo on the packaging. They will charge you an extra fee for that, and they will also charge you some charge a standard fee, and others will probably charge you according to the amount of orders you will have, or the volume that you have, a volume of orders that you have. So that is something to keep in mind if you want to do this business, or if you want to start a drop shipping business. So if you want to start a drop shipping business, you can use Shopify and Obelo together. So basically, Obelo is a Shopify partner, and it's one of the apps that Shopify uses and it's a drop shipping app basically on Shopify. So you can go through Obelo and create your store and everything through that, but it will be a Shopify store, or you can go through Shopify. So if you're going through Shopify, you will create your store. So you'll go on the site and start creating your store. And then once you're done creating the store and everything, then you will be prompted to add products. So there's a option to add your own product or custom product, or you can choose the option to add products through Shopify. They will redirect you to Obello, where you can create an account and then basically browse the product. So if you want to sell hair, then you can browse that part of or that department, and then select the sellers that you want to add to your store. And then you can customize the product descriptions and all that. And then there will be a section where now you need to change your prices, because the prices that are showing there is what the supplier charges. So you will need to add your markup and basically enter in the prices that you want to charge. So if you are selling a straight 8-inch human hair and the supplier sells it for 600 rand, then you would add maybe, for instance, your 40% markup, and then sell it for, well, whatever it is, whatever the price will be when you add 40% to 600 rand. Okay. So that will be the price that will be displayed on your store. That is what the customer will pay when they place an order. And then when they place that order, your 600 rand will be paid to the supplier, and the rest will be yours. It will go into your account, whatever bank account you used for your business. Now, something you need to keep in mind when you are adding your markup, make sure you are mindful of Shopify's monthly subscription. That is something you will have to pay out of your pocket. So make sure that when you price your item or when you mark it up, you have taken into consideration that a portion of whatever stays with you, or whatever amount stays with you, a portion of that will go towards covering your monthly subscription. Don't go adding your entire monthly subscription to one product. That's just overpricing. Just make sure your markup is fair, and you've taken into consideration every other expense that you will have. You'll also probably spend on Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Google ads. So take into consideration more or less how much you would want to spend on that, and know that whatever markup you add onto that supplier's cost price, then you know that you will have enough to cover your expenses that are pertaining to that particular product, as well as have a little bit of profit left over. The pricing is something we will cover in a totally different video, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that video. All right, now so when the customer looks at your store, guys, it will look exactly like any other store. Like it's gonna be a normal store with products and everything as if you added them, but you literally just imported the products from Obello onto your Shopify store. Super easy, trust me, it's really easy. And the good thing is that Obello sends you like all kinds of online courses, online tips on how to set up your drop shipping store, and how to manage it, how to get customers, how to advertise, and all those type of things. They have all kinds of educational content on their site, which is super awesome. So make sure you check it out. When you do decide to start that type of business, make sure you continuously equip yourself with that knowledge, because you can't just go in there and not know anything, or not add any knowledge for yourself. It's very helpful to make use of that type of material, especially if it's free. So take advantage and make sure you equip yourself so that you can run the best store ever, and so that you can succeed in this dropshipping business. Because it's really an awesome opportunity, and it's something that's really growing, especially in South Africa. Like, a lot of people are starting to really go for that. So it's something you need to look into, y'all. So yeah, if you go through Orbello, if you want to create your store through Orbello, you basically follow the same process. So they have like a list of steps, and then like every time you complete a step, it like changes color, to show that you've done that part, that step. So it basically helps you do it properly. So there's a step where you would need to create an Orbello account, then you'd need to create a Shopify store. When you get to create your Shopify store, they will direct you to the Shopify websites where you will create your store and everything. And then when you come back to Orbello, you'll get an option to import products. So when you get that, they will take you to their product page where you can browse the list of products, the list of suppliers they have there, and then you can add your products. Everything is just, it's so easy, y'all. You just need to invest a little bit of time to just understand how just navigate the site and everything, but it's really easy and doesn't take some time. I was able to do it in a day. I wanted to try it out, so I was able to create the store and everything in a day, but I'll be carrying on with that, but yeah, so it's really easy, it's really quick, and it's not that expensive. So far, if I continue with the store that I want to do, my only expense will be the Shopify subscription, which is like 500 Rand, because I go for like the cheapest one for now until I make money, and then I'll upgrade. That's what I did with my clothing business and all that. So do that. And then my other expense will probably be for advertising, Facebook ads. I love Facebook ads. That's how I get my sales. So I use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, the works. So those will be my expenses. I'm not planning on doing the custom packaging for now, but as I make more sales and I have that money to do it, then that is probably something I will look into. Because you have to have multiple streams of income. Just because I've got royal flair doesn't mean I need to just be like, that's enough. It's not enough. I want multiple streams of income. I'm a firm believer in having multiple streams of income. So yeah, dropshipping is something I am looking into. Probably like selling hair and beauty products and stuff like that. That is something I'm really interested in. So if it's something you're interested in too, do check it out. I have placed the link for Orbello as well as Shopify in the description. So if you want to check it out, then do that. And also another thing, the suppliers on Orbello are from AliExpress. So basically AliExpress has partnered with Orbello, and Orbello has AliExpress suppliers on there. So the stuff you see on there is probably things you will see on AliExpress as well. And if you have an Orbello account, then you can add the Chrome extension on your PC and everything. And then when you are on AliExpress, the suppliers that are on Orbello, you'll see a little tag thingy above, an Orbello tag thingy on their product, on whatever product that is on Orbello, that they have on Orbello. And then you can literally add it from there. So you can go directly on AliExpress and search for stuff, or you can do it through Orbello. But yeah, just so you know, you can do that. So yeah, you guys, that's literally the long and short of it. Dropshipping, y'all, is an awesome opportunity to start your business, an online business. The world is going online, you guys, and you need to get on the wagon now rather than later. So do check that out and try it out. Look, you have nothing to lose, okay? Especially since Shopify has like a 14-day free trial. So yeah, you can try it out for like 14 days for free and see how you like it. If you do like it, then you can continue. If it doesn't work for you, then you can like drop it at no cost, no expense, nothing. So try it out and let me know if you did. If you want to, please leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to answer them. Drop them in the comment section. Let's talk. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I drop a video. If you have any questions, remember, leave them in the comments and we can talk. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.